Earn $1 every 5 minutes by completing surveys, watching videos, and playing games. GrabPoints is a legit paying survey website. It has 4.6 rating in Trustpilot, which means it's a legit paying survey website. First, you just need an email to sign up and a PayPal account. Then you need to answer these questions about you to filter the surveys in your account. Just click the Earn option above. Now you will see all the available surveys. There are also available features like games and offers. Just scroll below and click the pixel point. Now we will see the available videos to watch. And we will earn points. These videos will refresh every 24 hours. Click the reward option above. And click the PayPal payment method. You can see the amount of points needed to withdraw. You only need 1,025 points to withdraw $1. Click the leaderboard above. Let's see what an average person makes in 7 days at GrabPoints. You can see that an average person makes at least 449 points, which is $70 in just 1 week at GrabPoints. Here is the payment proof from GrabPoints, sent by Reward Holdings Limited, which are $1 each through PayPal. You will receive the payment after a few hours since you requested for withdrawal. Now for the bonus trick. To have many surveys in your account, you just need to say yes to all the categories about you, like your hobbies and what you do in life. Comment below money apps you want me to review. Happy earnings!